There are two major types of content included in WordPress: posts and pages. Before you start building your site, it's important that you understand the difference between the two. At its core, WordPress is a blogging platform, and much of the functionality included in WordPress is built around the idea of creating posts, which are the entries that show in your blog. If you are not a blogger, that's okay. The conversation around pages will be important for you. Here's a sample of a GoDaddy website template. Let's look at the blog. Each entry of the blog is an individual post. When you click a post, it will take you to the article associated with it. Each post can be assigned keywords or categories, which makes it easier for your readers or customers to find all the related blog posts. Say you had a cooking blog and you wanted to show your reader every post that had the tag pasta associated with it. It filters out everything else so your reader can get to the content that they want. Now, pages are a little different. Pages contain additional website content that is usually meant to remain static and doesn't show up in the blog feed. A good example is an About Us page, where you provide additional information about the business or author. Or maybe a Contact Us page, where you provide information for your visitors to contact you. Pages usually show up in your site's primary navigation menu, which is across the top of the site in this example. If you install a theme on your site, it will usually come with some pages pre-installed, making it easier for you to just edit out the information on the page, and the navigation is already built out. Or you can build new pages from scratch and add them to the navigation menu. We will get into that topic later. Now that you know the difference between a post and a page, you can start mapping out your website before you build it. That's it for the high-level overview. Check out other WordPress tutorial videos for more tips.